sabe que yo vivo haciendo lío. Yendo chuki robándome los maridos.
Bombok! Oh! Bend over, girl. Bend over, girl. You tube. What's up, my beautiful people? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is having a fantastic week. Guys, look, it's been so long since I've done a reaction to Yailin. It's been like a month or two, probably a couple months now since I've given her a reaction, but this time it's not her only. She also features with someone. That person is called Las Mas Doll. What's up with this Las Mas and La? What does La mean? If she's from Mexico, what does La means? Right? This song is called Te La Parto Remix Official Video. It's my first time checking this out. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. I do love this female. She's a queen. Right, she's also 6ix9ine's girlfriend. Bro, I'm a little bit jealous of ya, but I'm going to take her away. I'm going to give her the lyrics that she never yet heard in her entire life. We Jamaicans, we know how to steal a man's female away from him. So without further ado, let's get excited. Let's see how well the queen delivers this one. Okay. Yo, this
Controla tu loca para yo no mandarte la topa al día. Si me la topo chuki, yo rulo ahí en avería.
Yo, the car, bro. The car. That's what a pagan is under. Guys, look. I am in Jamaica and these cars aren't in Jamaica, bro. Like, they are really too expensive to be in Jamaica. So forgive me if I'm lack of knowledge when it comes down to these cars. So please teach me. But regardless of the car, these females are so hot. Yo, they are so hot, bro. The ringing of the telephone, bro, it's been a while since I've heard a ringing like that. But bro, regardless of that, this looks dope. This looks dope.
Dile ese cuero sucio que dejé su frequería, que yo lo que ando duro haciendo de la mía.
Lo fundí y lo friso, tú no lo sabías. Te le di que la abrí y te la mando tu partida. Conozco tu pendiente, deja tu payasería.
Yo, yo, the voices, yo, look. I do love this. I love the music. I love everything. Right? But whenever time they sing, right, I feel so relaxing. I feel so confident within myself. And I'm not understanding one thing that they are saying. But look, music is essential. I always mention this. Music is really essential. Once the music is delivered properly with the right mixing and mastering of that music, it's gonna be hitting differently, bro. Trust me. Ah, they look amazing.
Forza para prenderlo y de mí hablan todos los días.
Controla tu loca o dime te la parto. Ve a hablar con ella o dime te la parto. Nada más vive chismeando, tiene a todo el mundo alto. Dime te la parto, dime te la parto.
Yo, damn. Yo, guys, look, just imagine, right? This female, the queen of her servant, right? They both come to look for me, right? Damn, that would be hours long, bro. That would be hours long. Because when I finish, they will be finished before me. And when I finished, it's gonna be a all-out war. Fuck, they're sexy, bro. There's... Yep.
Culpa ninguna, tan queda.
Vamos a con ella o dime te la parto. Dime te la parto.
Yo! Yo! This is so sexy, bro. To see females here kissing, making love in front of me. My giant is at his best right now. Fuck, they're sexy, bro. Yo, the movement of the body, it's so squeezable. Squeezable.
Son cueritos que paran en chopería. Soy el futuro de los cueros y la dolía. Pa' que sufro si la par y salir los otros días. De aguantando ñeme trabajando todos los días.
Oh wow, bro. The green hair fits her perfectly. Her boobs look so suckable. I would just... Yo, I would play piano on those breasts. Trust me. I would suck him right off. I would suck him until she gets horny, bro. Fuck, she's sexy, bro. Oh my god, look at... Yo. What?
Porque tu jevo te fundió. Ando chiqui robándome los maridos. Esa loca que la va a matar la dema. Si se pasa ya la parte, yo me busco ese problema.
Bo, 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 bo.
6ix9ine, my bro. You're doomed. Because if I get the chance, in fact, when I get the chance, this female is no longer yours, bro. Taken away from you, bro. Trust me. And you're gonna live to regret that. Cause there ain't no freaking way this female is so darn sexy. These females, as a matter of fact, is so darn sexy. I would like to lay my jackhammer on their solid ground to make it broken. Just ramming it, pounding it, giving it, right through. Yo, the music, their voices gets me in the mood because, damn, because she's sexy, bro. They are sexy.
Bo, 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 bo.
Bo, 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 bo. Bo, 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 bo.
The female in the orange swimsuit or whatever that you guys want to call it. Fuck, she's sexy, but why are you doing it so close to me? I mean, like, you're gonna get me the mood. You're gonna make my dick stand. You're gonna give my heart an heart failure. What the fuck? Yo, I approve this. I approve this. I have to go there now. I have to take my time there now.
Te jodas con ellos, dímetela. Dímetela, Parto. Te jodas con ellos, dímetela. Dímetela, dímetela, Parto.
Pasa con ella, dímetela.
Oh! Yo! Who are they? Who are these females, bro? Dog! They're sexy as fuck! Oh, what the Bumbleclot! Yo! On those butt cheeks, bro. On those butt cheeks, bro. I'm spanking them. Punishing them.
Ay.
Tú no sabes que yo vivo haciendo lío. Yendo chuki robándome los maridos.
Bumbuck! Oh! Bend over, girl. Bend over, girl. Bumbleclot. Yo! I surrender, bro. I surrender. I surrender, bro. This is freaking dope. Yo, they are sexy as fuck, bro.
Cuando quiero me lo robo y lo hago mío. Me lo encaramo en el pelo y te lo mando bienvenido. No te han dicho que a mí me gustan los tríos. Yo no sé por qué este cuero está dolido. Tú eres igualita que yo, que también roba mariona. Hay una diferencia es que...
You gotta bend that ass over, female. You gotta do that right now. The queen, look, I would love to be a servant. I would love to be a servant. I would do anything you tell me right now. Anything you tell me, I would be that servant. For the day, the week, the year, the entire semester. For a decade, a millennium, a century. I'll be that servant for you. Trust me. Just for you and your fellow servants. I'll be that royalty there. Yo!
Yo dejo fundido. La más dole, ellos saben si no hablan.
Yo, the way she's bouncing, bro. I would come in an instant, bro. I would not even be ashamed. Hey, wow, wow, wow.
Estrellas no suenan, Sarita, tranquilo, fiera. Mapa negro, mi gotera récord.
Dime, Pantera, o lo puya tú o lo puyo yo. Ninguna.
Yo, I love this so much, bro. Right now, I'm hard as a rock just by seeing them. Trust me.
Tan queda.
This one was incredible. Trust me, it was. And I do enjoy this run. I have to check out them even more because it was so long. Guys, if you guys enjoy this reaction, leave a like, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.